This is my Predom Microlite Caravan, also known as a Freedom Microlite, but ours is the early one, so it's called the Predom. Today, we're going to be painting it. This is the Predom Microlite Caravan that we bought for £800. I'm going to be doing a series of completely restoring it and making it kind of custom, to be honest. In today's video, we are going to be painting the outside, sanding it down, painting the outside and making it look really, really cool. And then after that, we'll be doing the inside. But today, let's paint this thing and make it really, really cool. As you can see, the paint on it is not that great. It's got bits peeling here and around here and all around the window. Looks like it has some kind of masking tape on it. Yeah, the paint isn't that great. It's been sat outside for a long time, as you can see by all the fade marks and stuff, and it's had white wool tires on it that have kind of faded off and stuff. But yeah, it's actually, these are called a Freedom Microlite, made in Poland. But this one is such an early one that it's got leaf spring suspension. This one is actually called the Predom. In about 1983, I think it was, they decided to put these into the UK market, and they changed the name from Predom to Freedom for the UK market. Whereas this one is a pre-83, so it's a Predom Microlite. So somebody's already done a lot of work on the chassis in that, but it has been sat outside for so long that it is just run down, old looking. Let me look up here. So, in today's video, we're going to make this thing look mint. I'm going to be painting it all one colour. We've got to sand it down first. And then, maybe not in today's video, but in a future video, I'm going to be doing some custom paint work all over it. But today, let's get this thing looking mint and crisp. Right, first things first, we're going to tape up all the bits we don't want to paint on or to get sanded. So, let's get to it. First things first, I'm going to go around with a tape, which I've already done a lot of it anyway, taping up the bits we don't want painted, and then we're going to start sanding it down. So here we go. Okay, that is most of it sanded down. I'm just going to go over it now and brush all the top with dustpan brush. Get all the dust and stuff off of it. As you can see, yeah, I've got to start up there on the roof, because otherwise, I'm going to start painting on the roof up there, because otherwise, if I don't, I'll be leaning against it and getting paint on myself. So I'm going to start on the top, the pop top, then I'm going to pop that up, then I'm going to paint underneath the pop top and all the roof, then we'll start doing all the sides. So, let's do this, shall we? Right, as you can see, we are getting somewhere. Slowly getting somewhere. Can't actually see the camera because it's so hot out here. We are getting somewhere. Roasting, trying not to sweat all over it. But look, we are actually getting somewhere. This is going to need more than one coat, but I've done a hell of a lot all over the roof. Although I can't reach that middle bit. can't actually reach that middle bit, so I don't know what I'm going to do there. But first coat's going all right, we're getting there. Right, time to carry on. Okay, it's been a little while more. It's really hot out here. Right, this is what we've done so far. As you can see, up the top, all painted round the pop top and underneath it. We're now going around doing all these bits around here. Catherine is on this bit here. We're trying to get one coat on for now. It's drying really quick because of the heat, and it's fast drying stuff as well. So I've come around to here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, I don't have the option to zoom out, never mind. Come around to here. And there we go. That is that. Why is my camera auto zooming? What have I got this on? Right, I don't know what that was all about. Some kind of weird auto zoom thing was going on. But yeah, right, we're now around here to the door. I'll start getting the door done there. I've done the inside of the door. I've took the rubber trims off to do that. So, we are getting there. Let's move the camera around to this side for you. Okay, as you can see, it's very blue. We're getting there. We've still got some bits to do on it yet. We're still at it, although it's very, very hot. Very, very hot. But you can see the colour it is turning out to be. Oh. As you can see, it's looking very good. You can pretty much see what it's going to be, can't you? There we go, check that out. How much better did that look? I'll do a quick before and after picture for you right now. This is how it looked when the person that I bought it off bought it. It'd been sat for a very long time, since probably the early 80s, or I don't know, probably the 90s or something. It'd been sat. This is how they bought it, and then they did this to it. He painted it in these colours to match his T5 transporter that used to tow it behind, which was a perfect match of the paint. He'd done it exactly the same. And then it sat for a while, then it looked like this. As you can see, it's looking a bit old and tired for itself again. So I bought it. This is me picking it up. So, yeah, there it is. That is the colour we're doing it. We're done for the day. It probably needs another coat. We're going to let it dry for the day. We're probably going to come back at it tomorrow. But you don't need me to let you know what it's going to look like. It's going to look like that. Just less patchier. So, there it is. This is going to get these done a different colour. I'm going to do some graphics on it. I might do some stomach come off the window. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Don't know what I'm going to do yet. But it's a start, isn't it? It's a start. Next, we're going to have to do the inside. But right now, I'm happy with that. See you in the next one, peeps.